Hey, look, it's Herbie here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1968 VW Bugger Beetle. I believe Herbie was a 63. Movie came out in 68, so is that close enough? Done up, of course, in the off-white exterior, blue and white and red stripes. Famous number 53 on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front end of this and see paint shows well. Of course, the air-cooled rear-mounted engine, 4-speed manual transmission. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, see the beauty rings and VW center caps. Take a look down the passenger side here. Also shows well. Bucket seats, cloth vinyl combination in gray. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little peek at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. And take your time looking through the still pictures. They'll be underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com as we take a look down the driver's side. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels look good. Again, cloth vinyl seat combination. Love bug insignia on the headrest, both sides. Let's go ahead and start this up. Fires right up. Radio does work. FM here. Speaker right over here on the dash. This one runs smooth. Every time I start it, it fires right up. Of course, that classic VW sound. Pretty smooth. Be a lot of fun, local roll-ins, car shows, just out and about. '68 VW Herbie replica. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation. Number to call: 507-386-1726. And remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a special little 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. This Beetle just happens to be Herbie, the love bug, with red, white, and blue stripes and a number 53. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. Smooth shifting. Accelerates as you would expect. The radio works, of course. And we're in 4th gear, approaching 50 miles an hour. Our fuel tank gauge reads 3/4. Getting a nice ride for a Volkswagen Beetle. A little bit of play in the steering, not enough to cause any difficulty in driving. drive little Volkswagen. As long as you can work a clutch and shift the gear pattern. This car corners well. Such a light little car. Corners quickly and easily. Responsive steering. We have cloth bucket seats in this car. Such an iconic car, the Herbie Love Bug. Goes down the road without much wind noise. And a comfortable car. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this little Volkswagen Beetle at uniqueclassiccars.com.